How to change camera quality on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your iPhone, and then the next thing that you want to do is to go here directly to your settings. Now here on your settings area, what you want to do next is to scroll down up until you see camera. Now here you will see the camera here. It's actually under photos and above books. Tap on camera, and here you will see record video and record slow-mo. So you can't actually change the camera quality when using photos, but you can actually change it via video. So as you can see here, record a video. Now if you click on this, you will see a lot of like FPS here, or different qualities for your camera when recording a video. So actually I have set it to the maximum. And then here, same with the record slow-mo here. It's either 240 FPS or 120 FPS. Now the other way to do that is to go here to your camera. Now here on your camera, it's actually currently set on photos, right? Now let's just set it to video here. And then on the upper right here, you will see the quality of video. As you can see, it's actually in the 4K resolution and 60 FPS. So you can set it to HD. And basically that's it. That is how you change your camera quality on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.